And we're rolling. So today for the video, I want to show you my dog. He just ran away from me. Oh, Bert, say hi to YouTube. Hey, Bert, yeah, sit. Good boy. I'm gonna flip the camera around and see if he sees himself. Oh my God, he's one of those dogs. Oh, this is his toy. It's this messed up little bunny that he has. But he's so cuter. We got him like February 8th. So that's basically his birthday. My birthday is actually February 14th. So yeah. And he has hey Bert. He had heartworms. Now we got rid of that. So he only has babies in him, and we can prevent that and stop that. So, and then also he has like a sprained leg right here, so he limps a lot, but not all the time. He just limps sometimes. Hey buddy. But yeah, we got him off of JR Pups and Stuffins. What is that? It's like all these noises. Excuse me. Oh, thank you, big truck. All right, but yeah, there's Bert. He's a boy actually too, and yeah, he's the cutest little puppy in the world. So yeah. Balls. Did you turn your sound up? Oh, that's a good prank. Yeah, that's what you should do on YouTube videos if you want to be a little prankster. But yeah, there's my dog Bert. He's a cute patootie. Just got his hair cut too, and we don't know what he's mixed up because he was found off the roads of Alabama. Yeah, so it's from Alabama. He likes to go outside. His outside is basically his home. Now my camera doesn't want to focus. Yeah, so he loves the outside. But yeah, so that's gonna be it for the video. Goodbye.